Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5 Subject Science Chapter Importance of Water. In this video we will do revision of exercise given at the end of the chapter. Question A. Fill in the blank. Water helps in dash of food in animals. Water helps in digestion of food in animals. Animals living in water are called dash. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. Third, animals which can live both in water and on land are called amphibian animal or amphibious animal. Animals which can live both in water and on land are called amphibious animals. Fourth, water trapped between underground rock is called dash. The answer is groundwater. Water trapped between underground rock is called groundwater. Dash and dash are aquatic plants. Lotus and hydrilla are aquatic plants. Now B, true or false for the following statement. We have to write down whether a given statement is true or false. First, water is required for germination of seeds. This statement is true. Second, groundwater can be drawn up by a hand pump. This statement is also true. Third, about 50% water is present in sea and ocean. This statement is false. 97% of water is present in sea and water. Octopus. Fourth, octopus is an amphibious animal. Statement is false. Octopus is aquatic animal. Fifth, river water is purified for drinking purpose. Statement is true. So here we have done all the statement, all the answers. Question number C. Take the correct option. First, about 97% of water is present in 4 options: sea and ocean, lake, pond, glacier. The correct answer is first A, sea and ocean. About 97% of water is present in sea and ocean. Second, plant absorb water from the soil with the help of options are stem, leaf, branch, root. Correct answer is D, root. Plant absorb water from the soil with the help of root. Third, a rahat is used for supplying water through tap, purifying river water, drawing out groundwater for irrigation, absorbing water from the soil. The correct option is C, drawing out groundwater for irrigation. A rahat is used for drawing out groundwater for irrigation. Fourth, an example of an amphibious animal is options are fish, frog, hydrilla, duckweed. The correct option is frog. An example of an amphibious animal is frog. Thank you.